This video will show you what to do if you are trying to open a website in Edge and it keeps showing you this error message that says please disable the ad blocker. So to fix this, first click on this three dot icon. Now here you will need to go to extensions and then click on manage extensions. Now if you see any ad blocker extension, make sure to disable it. Now go back to the website and then refresh it. However, if the issue persists, click the three dot icon again and this time select settings. Now here you will need to go to this privacy and search and services. Now here you will need to scroll down and then click on site permissions. Now here you will need to click on all permissions. Now in here you will need to go to this pop-ups and redirects option. Now make sure you haven't enabled this option that blocks pop-ups and redirects. Now go back to the previous menu. Scroll down and you will see this intrusive ads option. Click on it. Now make sure you haven't enabled this option as well. If it's on, make sure to turn it off from here. Now go back to your site and then try reloading it again. If nothing else works, however, you can try disabling your VPN connection. If you are not using a VPN, try switching to a different network or a different browser and it should definitely fix the problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.